False photos and videos are memories and part of our life now. We store them across devices like SD cards, pen drives, SSD, HDD or even on our PC. But what if we accidentally delete them or someone else deletes them by mistake? Or photos or videos get corrupted while transferring data or due to virus attack? Well, we will surely try to recover them. But then question comes to mind, how can I recover deleted photos and videos? Well, that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Watch this video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to recover deleted photos or videos from PC. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WMGenius back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all best way to recover deleted files on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Folks, whenever we delete photos or videos or any file from Windows PC, they are actually hidden to view and will get overwritten with new data as we continue using our Windows laptop. So the faster we act, the more chances we have to recover deleted data. Now here is the best and free way to recover deleted files on Windows 11 for free. Check your recycle bin. Whenever we delete our files, they are first moved to recycle bin. So firstly, let's check recycle bin for deleted files, and for that let's move to desktop. Here we have the recycle bin. Let's open it, and now we can look for deleted photos, videos or any other type of file that we want to recover. If we get the file we were looking to restore, then simply right click on the file and then choose restore. Boom, your deleted file will get recovered successfully. Folks, that's how easily you can recover deleted files on Windows 11 for free. But what if you have permanently deleted file and don't find them in recycle bin? Well, then we will require a professional data recovery software, and there comes Wondershare Recovery. Wondershare Recovery is a data recovery expert for Windows that can completely recover your lost videos, photos, files, audio, emails and more. Not only this, it can also repair corrupted videos, photos and other files. It comes with professional features like enhanced photo and video recovery, hard drive and location recovery, system crashed computer recovery, NAS data recovery and Linux data recovery. That's not it. Wondershare Recovery 12 brings optimized RAW scanning that adds support for recovery of surveillance and car camera video, and also brings optimized RAW scanning that improves the quality of RAW scans along with added support for new recovery formats. Now if you still ask why choose Wondershare Recovery, then here is the answer. False. Wondershare Recovery is an ultimate and professional data recovery tool that is reliable and 100% safe, which supports 1000 plus file formats, 2000 plus storage devices, can help in 500 plus scenarios, offers 95% recovery rate and has more than 20 years of experience. On top, it is easy to use and requires just 3 steps to recover permanently deleted files on Windows PC. Simply select a location, scan for deleted files and restore them. That seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Recovery free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Wondershare Recovery. So clean and simple way. Even if you are a beginner, you can get back your deleted files on Windows PC using Wondershare Recovery like a pro. From here we have the option to select the location to start data recovery. Here at top it shows hard disk drives from Windows laptop. Next it shows any external drives like pen drive, SSD, external HDD or SD cards if connected. Then we have quick access to recover data from disk image, desktop, select folder and recycle bin deleted recovery. Then we also have system crashed computer recovery to restore deleted data from crashed computers. Next we get the option for NAS and Linux system data recovery. Then we have video photo restore options like enhanced recovery for lost videos and photos that can recover lost photos and videos from devices like Canon, Sony, DJI, GoPro, Seagate, SD cards and more. Next we have the corrupted video repair option. So if you have lost any type of data due to any reason, Wondershare Recovery is the solution. Now let's know how to use Wondershare Recovery to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 11. And for that, here we are back on Wondershare Recovery. Next selected local disk E to scan for deleted data. It starts scanning. within a few seconds will complete a quick scan and shows quick scan is completed. You can preview and recover scanned files. Meanwhile, Wondershare Recover It will continue deep scanning to find more files. We can check for the files that are available to recover after a quick scan and can also preview them. False, we can stop deep scan if we find the files that we wanted to recover. If not, let it complete. Deep scan will take time depending on your drive size. Once done, here it shows scan completed, number of files found. Click on OK. Now here we have the files that are available to be recovered. We can also check for file type view. Here it shows a specific type of data like photo, video, audio, documents, web files and much more. Let's try and recover this complete iPhone captures and docs folder that has many photos, videos and documents as well. We can also preview lost photos and videos before recovering them. Now let's select all by clicking on this and then click on recover. Next, it will show a pop-up from where we can choose a plan and complete data recovery. Select a plan as per your requirement and click on buy now. Now from here you can get yourself a plan. We'll suggest you to go for monthly plan. After purchase is completed, you will get a license code via email that you can redeem by visiting this web page, and once done, return to Wondershare Recover It and then log in using your credentials. After that, it shows user center with your plan details. Close it and then again click on recover. Now we need to select a path to save files. Selected local disk D and then clicked on recover. It starts recovering and within a few seconds data recovery completes. It shows number of files recover completed. Click on open folder. Now browse through to look for recovered files. Here we have all the photos, videos and documents that we have recovered. We can also preview them. See, all the files are fully recovered and are in their original size. That's how easy it is, so effortless and reliable. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to try out Wondershare Recover It if you want to recover deleted photos and videos on Windows 11 or Windows 10. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Development Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. This is full review for Wondershare Doctor Phone Toolkit plus a tutorial on how to recover deleted data from Android phone. और आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।